Hello everybody, so today I want to quickly look at creating selections and then converting them into a different component type. So to do that, let's start with a piece of geometry. Let's go with our trusty sphere. Alright, I can already see that I'm in points mode there. I can also select my primitives and my edges, right? So I'm going to go with primitives and I'm just going to select a little piece here, maybe these. Let me see how that is. It's gone a little bit over there. Maybe I can just remove them like this using my control. All right, cool. And let's say I want to convert these to edges instead. All I have to do is hit my right mouse button and move down to here, convert selection to, and I want to go to, I think I said edge selection, right? There we go, converted it to edges. If I want to convert these to points, convert selection to, and the point selection, there's also hotkeys there that you can see, which you can use to help you remember. Okay, point selection, there we go, that's it, straightforward as that. So any questions, please leave them below and have a great day.